everyone. So here we are set to go for the workshop for 5 days, which is digital signal processing and its applications. So always we have a note that said by Einstein, a true sign of intelligence is not knowledge, but it is imagination. So with this as the quote, we shall start off our learning, where learning gives creativity, creativity leads to thinking, thinking provides knowledge, and knowledge makes us great, as said by Abdul Kalam. So now, as I told you already, today's workshop, what we are looking into is with respect to digital signal processing. And the moment you hear about digital signal processing, it could be a one-dimensional signal, or it could be a two-dimensional signal like our audio, speech, and such things, or it could be image, which is again two-dimension, or it could be a video where we have time versus magnitude and also the colors and such things. So image processing, the moment you're seeing now during this pandemic, you may be looking at the COVID situations where the COVID is detected positive with x-rays but not on the medical test. Same way the satellite images are revealing how broad the lands are becoming. Here is an image which demonstrates you the difference between an MRI, CT and an x-ray of a banana. So these are all exciting just to see on the overview, but it is so difficult to implement in reality. But at the same time, it is excited to do once you know the knowledge of it. At the same time, when I'm talking with respect to image, I'm speaking over here and this is getting processed where the encoders and the decoders are decoding and you're able to hear what I'm speaking. So it is all in the world of signal processing. But what is a signal? A signal is nothing but a collection of information. Where is this information coming from? It is nothing but again a group of data. Until and unless you filter some data, we won't get any reliable information out of it. So this data, once we filter, we are forming an information from which we can get or we can make some useful decisions out of it and proceed to improve our life being. So now that is the concentration of our workshop, where you will learn about filtering, both analog and digital filters, and you will learn to design these filters theoretically. You will implement these filters mathematically and then expand application of these filters to audio signals and to images to detect the edges or something like that. And also we will look at some applications of these signal processing area. Of course, we cannot cover all the applications within the stipulated time. So to just give you a brief introduction to the different fields of this signal processing domain, we have chosen some selected topics out of which we will be demonstrating to you. So here are the list of our team. Dr. Ashaba, Associate Professor, and myself, Dr. Nayana, and our colleagues, Mrs. Sumalata and Mrs. Rekha Radhakrishnan. So we being the key speakers of this particular workshop, we will take you into the details of this digital signal processing and give you an oversight of what is the concepts theoretically and also a hands-on experience. So then what would be the highlights of this course? This course focuses on the concepts related to analog and digital filter design and the implementation of it. And also each day we have online laboratory sessions related to MATLAB, and code and PPT of every successful sessions will be shared with people, and real-time applications such as biomedical signal processing, astrophysics or image processing would be shared with you and also demonstrated as well. Now the course content, to just brief out, as you have already read through the brochure, we have the self-paced sessions which are basically explaining the theoretical concepts. Let's be starting with the introduction of digital signal processing, analog and digital filter designs, basics of digital image processing, basics of audio signal processing. All these sessions will be self-paced and recorded and shared with you people, where you can watch it whenever you're free, and come back to the afternoon session, which will be hands-on, where we deal with basic commands of MATLAB and installation procedure, hands-on with filter design and implementation, hands-on of edge detection filters for the images, and hands-on of recording audio and filtering the noise signals for the speech. And of course, along with this, we do have the hands-on session for biomedical signal processing, where we would simulate an ECG signal, and again we proceed with some of the applications like astrophysics, pattern recognition, machine learning, etc. based on the time limits. Now As we already mentioned what is the content of this workshop and how we proceed with this, and we are aware that the signal processing is a vast domain which we cannot be covering within the 5 days of workshop, but still we hope we do learn every day as knowledge is power. Before thanking all of you, we would proceed for a welcome note addressed by our beloved HOD Dr. H.L. Suresh, and then start off with the session for the introduction of MATLAB by our speaker Dr. Ashubha. Thank you one and all.